Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 87 K20 here. Fuel injected. Obviously only one tank works. Radio doesn't work. Emergency brake works. Horn works. Indicator doesn't work, but I think the blinkers up there works. Heater fan doesn't seem to work. Wipers work though. Take a listen to it. Runs good. Just an AC compressor and lines. Like I said, it's a drive as you will pick up and work on it if you want. Square body 87s bring good money because they're fuel injected. There's your tail lights. Need the heater fan worked on, and then that old Jensen radio. That radio is probably 20 years old. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.